Hello, my friends. I thought for this video, since Photoshop is one of my favorite creative tools, if not my absolute all-time favorite creative tool, that I would show you a basic overview of the Photoshop workspace just in case you are curious in learning how to use it as well. So let's get right into it. The first area I'm going to show you is up here at the top. This is the main menu bar. This is where you'll find all of Photoshop's functions, and you'll also see the keyboard shortcuts on the right side next to some of them. And yeah, simple. Anything you want to do, you can find it up there. You can also find it other places, but it's a guarantee you'll find it up here. Next area is the toolbar on the left side here. This is where obviously you can find any tool that you need. Now, when you hover over a tool, my computer's being slow right now. When you hover over a tool, you see the name of the tool and you see in parentheses next to the name the keyboard shortcut. If you're just getting started in Photoshop, I wouldn't worry about the keyboard shortcuts, but as you progress, they're really, really valuable to learn to help streamline your process and to help you work more quickly and more intuitively. The other thing about the toolbar is that when you click on a tool and hold down, you see other related tools underneath it, like different types of text tools or type tools. Or if you click and hold the marquee, you'll see other marquee tools. It's all along those lines. The other thing is when you click on a tool, you can see the options for it up here. So these are the options for the marquee tool. These are the options for the brush tool. You have the brush size, you have the opacity, all of that good stuff. So that was the toolbar. And then in the middle section here, you have the workspace, which is obviously where you're going to be working on your pieces or your documents or anything that you're creating. And then on the right side here, you have your history panel, which is where you see all of the edits that you've made to your piece. Photoshop records every single change. And if you want to, you can go back 1 or 2 or 5 or 25. I think you can go back up to 50 steps and restore a previous version of your piece. Now there are other functions in the history panel, but I won't get into those now. And let's move on to arguably the most important panel in Photoshop, which is your layers panel. This is where anytime you want to add something to your piece, you'll add it in a new layer or an existing layer, depending on what you want to do. And you can reorder your layers, you can delete your layers, you can duplicate your layers. It's just like when you're building a painting, you build it layer by layer, except you have the amazing functionality of being able to change all that whenever you want, however many times you want, which is why Photoshop is so amazing, and I'm really excited to be sharing it with you. Alright, so that was the basic Photoshop workspace overview. I hope this helped you get a little bit more acquainted with it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.